Tlakula Kenya. Haka. Tlakula Kenya. Okay, so it looks like Mr. Post is commission with a language of Tingana. Because I feel like Van Mutala was like Mr. Post it a flop aka album yena. Kufanele ya moyo wa December nga flop. So they felt like maybe posted dinga flop aka album lewa niya Madlokonya. Mara posted the bean baka yena. And I can credit where it's due in terms of instruments. As we all know, Mr. Post looks like a composer the same. Gas in Tanusuka like a Mahoni is Lawan. Lawani le George Sonto High School. I can get up and Lavanga and I put the Donzo Lani. So Amahoni see Kunaman Wutalavanga Fambina to home to corner, as you can see behind me. Mara now Mr. Post could But what I very much criticize a good Dibango beef, yeah, very donor the bus straight at the states, ne? Marantu had come on what along Flava to the Dafka to flop a la Mara de flop and posted the bean. And then to for this album for a change, I feel like difficult the entire album lay hing of kites accept defense that donor. So big ups to Mr. Post. Antago I nick and credit where is due. Money Makashala, Nabi Makashan Kotakula. Valavanga donda a George Sonto. Work first vagula ni queen. George Sonto ko gifke bender because I'm shooting with a selfie lawa. Sonta lungza camera I mean and kani. Ko ko to na kahle mina wina. Yi shinla live this one. This is a proper YouTubing. Mon gwedla le show. Have love like Mr. Post kure. Ntu ngari for a change album ya dona yi. Midan comment and show you mean that it's unprofessional. It's so unlike me. Yeah. Lava imakahle so mawon. Siyabona kanyana ne. Joyson tight kuliling and dagame neka mahonisi. Le mahlwenyana midan comment kuna to umti ngabeka tloko alotsa ngara tsemba ka timrasela kwalana. Mara tile kubenka katloko humli ayile graseni swinene nga ri ile ku dyeni lawa a ta dyeli kule to mta masiku lamawani ti dya kwala kusuhani. So I love my brand Mr. Post. How do I do this one? Quickly before vanhu va famba mi nga fambi mi nga karhali kona. Right, at George Sonto High School like Mahonisi. It is a high school la handle ka Malamulele Giyani. Understood wela kwini. So I wanted to say, Kuri, yes, for a change, Mr. Post did an album, laying Ying of Kai. Okay, I mean, it's better than Moiwa December in terms of song composition, in terms of instrument wise, beats, production. You know, Mr. Post, Bele Tingoma Kuri. It's after Taxava Secretary Vayen. It Beleva Secretary Vayen at Ngoma Kubataka. So well done to Mr. Post. So yeah, it's a better album. Hengapuki compare na ba Ndambi kumbeshani ba Trabule Kulu. It's not fair because Ndambi na Trabule Kulu, those ones are on their own leagues. Compare Madlokonya na Moyo December. Yes, it's an improvement for Mr. Post. It's a good album. Even though some songs loop, you know, that's for me is a bit of a setback, you know. Na production yaka Tim Shirimani yakala liya ko aba production linga kona la ka ba producers ta Vatsonga leti ti nga ta kota ku fikelela level yeliya nga ka Tim Shirimani in terms of production. So nga blame Mr. Post hi sweswo vanhu ve ri a tlheleli ka Shirimani guys. I really swa ka Shirimani so I languteni album Mr. Post ku loko yi compare yona na Moyo wa December, which one kuna improvement na? Yes, kuna improvement. So it's a tick for me. It's a tick. I would say it's a tick. Whether it's an album of the Easter, yeah, compare na letting out matter psychology, that's another debate on its own. We will have an episode where we will look at Iman Angafka Avangwazi ka Easter lewan. Na stop to want to YouTube veteta video so na. Mara it's fine, it have computer kwala. So ataku Madlokonya yi bini man. I understand kuna beef to ambana for a change of beef bin man ntsene la album liya ku bifa vanhu vo talanyana. So I suppose vele beef aditsetse. So yeah, you know, so I would say I suppose it's a good improvement. Santa I belen Mr. Post maboko. I belen maboko because kuna improvement lekulu. Ninga nkarhi wa n'wina. I wanted to also say like I said, ku nga compare madlokonya na va ndhambi na va trouble lekulu leti ti le ka league ya tona. Because loko yingisela va ndhambi na va trouble lekulu la Mr. Post a endlela vunanga for Vatsonga. Right now Mr. Post is making music for his fans and he's achieving at it. Loko cheka fan base ya Mr. Post kule ngopfu sweswiwani compare ka nkarhi lowu a humesa va ndhambi. I enough this kind of fan base. I remember look Mr. Post a launch what is the other album? Is it Shidumo? No, what's the other album? Yeah. Liya Shidumo Prince Rangan. Liya n'wana nga huma man. Liya ya tingoma ta fashion ne. Logo humesa a Palms and I launched that album. Mr. Post was nervous. Under na yena mina Mr. Post behind the stage, you know, behind the scenes. Okay, before we severely interrupted, kuna munhu un'wana nga ni fonela a swi tivi lava yini vanhu van'wana va na timing va ku lava kwala i nga busy ku va ku fonele kona. A fane veke foni ya mina ka flight mode a yi le ku haheni. But anyway, a ni lava ku vula ku aka album le Mr. Post a chuwini hi ku a swi tiva ku ri in terms of fan base a nga ri sure, you know, even though ka nghena ka ndhambi kona nga swi vona ku ya se vanhu va sungula ku n'wi landzelela. Trouble lekulu vanhu se they had warmed up to Mr. Post. Right now Mr. Post in the fence ta yena n'winyi. Nkarhi lowu a ku ri ti-fence ta ka Team Shirimani swi mixanini one. Right now Mr. Post is on his own, so he's doing his own thing. He has his new producers. Leswi swi endlaku ku at least ku va na ti-chances ta ti-producers laha handle ku va kota ku kuma ti-opportunities to producer. So music wa hina swi endlaku wu nga fani. Loko Mr. Post a humesa Team Shirimani liya hinkwayo kuma ku swi swa ku swi chaya ku fana wona. At least now kuna a new sound linga kona ya Mr. Post. It's good, you know. So I would say they are doing a good job. Ko va ku standard le xa le ka Team Shirimani nge xikum voice ya yena yi compromise loko hi compare na tina leswi swin'wana swi nga ka Shirimani. And hina phela hi tolovele swa ka Shirimani. Hi tolovele ti-album ta vo ndhambi, you know. But I understand what people are saying out there. Ma iku deep in Mr. Post a good improvement. So I'll say well done Mr. Post. Okay, nga swi tivi ku loko hi December ta humesa yin'wana album na kona yi ta ba ku tlaliwa na, because he has to go up like this. Whether he's gonna go up, it's another question. Last year ni vurini mina December ni ku Mr. Post a nga bangi a endlela ku disturba Benny Mayengani. Right now Mr. Post a endlela music for his fans and they are happy. The fans ta Mr. Post va jabulile. Yona vele in terms of quality it's compromised. We can say that. I best in terms of quality icon. Mara album leya yingiseleka and nkarhi wun'wana swi kahle ku yingisela album Mr. Post u nga yingiseli ti-headphones swa khwaxa ni i kuma ti-subwoofer nyana. Mina ni twini kha yi ba le Momes ka Nkuzani yi kha yi bani ka swipikara swa swikulu na swi twa ku ya Mr. Post ya di vavisile kahle. No, deep in Mr. Post guys. Tingoma ta Mr. Post ta cineka, song composition, ti-melodies leti tirhisiwaka lani, mayimbelelele ya Mr. Post ku na sasungwana nga ku tlhaveleleni hambi ri mani i kahle ngopfu na yena, you know. So it's good, at least, you know, ku na a bit of a new sound, new change. So well done to Mr. Post. Another thing ku Mr. Post a nga endli music ku va a endla mali man. This guy is just doing music just to have fun. A nga serious hi swa music Mr. Post. Mr. Post o ti hungasela kahle o ti hungasela wa swi vona ku swa music wa xitona swi na mali, so what's the point? So Mr. Post did right, a ti endleli music mali byo endlela ku huwa swilo leswiya, so n'we mi nga swi teki serious swilo leswi. Oh okay, let me one song swilo swa mina ni famba a ni kha ni vulavula na fika la George Sonto High School la ka Mahonis. Kahle hi songa hi famba hina van'wani va legere swi swa hina swi herile. Tihomu ta ha ri ku dina titloko ta ha twalele ndzhaku le. Ni ku xa tiulu kumbe xa dhova swa fana swa hi holovisa, xibelani tirabolo tlanga tlaga ge tlaga. Yeah guys, hi swona swa mi khome swona ka legere. Salute, salute. Mi nga titimeli.